Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how much to detail a boat. First, understand that several factors determine the final cost. The length and type of your vessel, whether it's a small fishing boat or a large yacht, play a huge role. Also, the current state of your boat's finish, including oxidation or grime buildup, will dictate the amount of work needed. Finally, where you are located and the specific services you choose will affect the overall price. Let's break down exterior detailing. A basic wash and wax usually falls within $10 to $30 per foot, providing a good shine and protection. If your boat has significant oxidation, compounding and polishing might be necessary, adding $15 to $40 per foot. For more severe cases, a full gel coat restoration, which is a more involved process, could cost anywhere from $40 to $100 per foot to bring back that factory finish. Beyond the exterior, interior detailing is crucial for a complete refresh. Basic interior cleaning, covering vacuuming and wiping down surfaces, typically starts at $5 to $15 per foot. For deeper cleaning, like upholstery stain removal, expect an additional $200 to $500, depending on the extent. Specialized services, such as teak cleaning and restoration, are often priced per square foot, ranging from $20 to $75 for a pristine finish. When considering detailing, you have two main options: do-it-yourself or professional. While DIY can save you money on labor, it demands considerable time, effort, and the right specialized products. Professional detailing, however, guarantees a superior finish, protecting your boat's value and extending its lifespan. For a comprehensive professional detail, you can generally expect to invest anywhere from $10 to $100 per foot, depending on the services chosen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.